All right, Christian Rivera here doing a walk-around video, classic cars of Palm Beach, on this 2014 BMW X5. Nice car, but these videos, again, are to point out any flaws or blemishes whatsoever, so there's no surprises for out-of-town buyers. Get started right away. Front bumper looks real good. Grille looks good. Headlight looks good on the driver's side. Second headlight looks real good. Couple little chips here and there. Front fender looks excellent. No scratches, dents, or dings. Sorry about the wind. Front wheel looks good. I'm going to call the tires at about 70%. Matching set of tires, maybe brand new on the back. Really no major scratches, dents, or dings going down the driver's side. Got a little bit of wear right here where the paint's just kind of faded off. Yeah, brand new tires on the back. I think these are new tires all the way around. Rear bumper. Looks great. Tail lights are all in really good shape. Pretty rare car. It has the third row of seating. It also has a cargo cover. Passenger side looks real good as well. No major scratches, dents, or dings. The front wheel looks good as well. No chips, no stars, no bursts, no cracks. The roof looks real good. Headliner's in excellent shape. There is no smoke smell, no mold or mildew smell, and no pet or dander smell. This car does have heads-up display. No warning lights on the dash. All the buttons are in amazing condition. If I haven't mentioned it, there is no smoke smell, no mold or mildew smell, no pet or dander smell. This car is super, super clean. Let's take a look under the hood to conclude our video. Sorry about the wind noise today.